I am going to call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here.
Holy cow, that was amazing.
Good to see you, buddy.
If you visit Nudura.com, you can see plans that are on their website. You can see projects that have been completed. There are links to any class or anything, any learning that you need to for this whole project, and then knowing that you have a real person that will come out and help you throughout the process. It's worth it, trust me.
Yeah, so I'm glad you brought up our training classes, right? We've got a great option for online training. It's wonderful, but those in-person classes really allow you to come in and get those questions asked that you had. Plus, we do a nice little hands-on demo so that you've got some real visual and good takeaway from the class. And we do them across the country, different times of the year as they're proposed. But definitely can go onto Nudura.com in the training options and check out what we have.
And I would encourage you, do the online classes, because that will lead to more questions that you have in person where you're just that much more prepared, and it's not that much. I mean, you're 6-8 hours online, and in a day, you can have you can create a lot of questions that can get answered by someone in person, where again, it's preparation. You're just more prepared.
I love it. No, it's if you've got the time to do the online first, absolutely helps to prepare those questions and just basically kind of get you ready for the class, right?
If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura forms, go visit Nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.